No, son.
Marla, go wipe your butt.
Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and today I have with me Nicole and Courtney, and we will be doing the spicy wings challenge. So I went to Wings Over in Newington, and we got the spiciest wings that they have, and we're going to try it. My friend told me that it's the best wings, so I'm nervous. I think so. We ordered 25 wings, but we will get 8 each, and we'll see who can finish faster, or if it's possible to finish at all.
Nicole really has some challenge now.
I need some competition, guys. So let's see. Hey.
Oh, let me take a look.
No, it should be half and half. So why are you taking all the... Listen. It should be half. I need flats too. So the code doesn't miss. You know you're in a hot. I do nothing on that. Wow.
Half and half.
Yes, we said 8 each.
Hello, leave some of the flats for me.
I took 4 flats.
Okay. Thank you.
My mother water.
Give me the one that looks skinnier.
No.
How you cheating?
Oh, we're not playing for the good ones. We're not gonna time it. I don't think we should time it, cause
So we have to eat off everything.
alright, we time it for 10 minutes.
How the bone supposed to look when we finish, please?
Should be like little to no meat on it. Marla.
I don't eat skin, guys.
Oh boy.
So we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes, guys. And yes, we could drink water.
Could we use ranch and blue cheese and all of that?
If you want.
Are you
yeah,
gonna
that
use
might
I
be
could take
cheating.
time and
No, it cool it down.
Exactly, that's cheating. No.
No, why we get it then?
Okay, no.
Give me
They can't have it after. The other people eat. Thief, criminal. Mm-mm. So guys, now we are going to start. Let's go. Not spicy.
Mm-mm.
Be careful.
I was just gonna ask where's the spice in it. Guys, nah.
Mm-mm.
The noodle was way spicier. Easy Marla. Oh my goodness.
I think them could be wrong wings. It's not spicy, right?
I can't be naming someone yet, dog. Get away.
My friends gonna judge me. Alright, Marla, slow down. You're just kidding.
The fire one.
Which man?
This.
No, not another panet.
This is lightweight.
Are you see? No, take that.
Should I say alpha?
I find the competition, guys. You're my belly. We meet my match. Easy there.
Haven't ate since like 6 o'clock.
when you win. Shang chili.
You can't eat the skin, sorry.
Oops. Them win. Me lose.
Can I get the blue dressing now?
No.
No. You used it in your last video.
No.
No, we didn't.
Mm-hmm.
We never did a wings video. Not wings, but the spicy chicken nugget. Sauce. Sweet and sour sauce.
Yeah, you tell them. How much meat?
That's skin.
Oh, God. Marla going good, guys. Me lose. Me can't stop no.
I wonder if I have lockjaw. My mouth's hurt. Team Courtney. This is for payback for the prank. Spam Team Marla below.
I lost my mojo today, guys. No fun.
Jesus, it's stuck in my chest.
Me know what choke. A bone we I deal with. What the? No, Marla.
Courtney, I win. I want you out.
I finally meet my match.
I mean, also, I lose. I didn't come second, I lose.
When I come third. Look at that bronze medal. No, some Marla beat me.
My face, she doesn't try to look like she's not greedy on camera. It's stuck in down my chest. Because she also CPR.
Yo. Drink some water.
But she had beaten. Never worry, I win. We can use the dick now since I lost one.
Yeah, you actually use it, man. It's
No.
so good.
One shot now.
I can't Really?
We're not to get off.
We're in a good side of town.
You walk 10 steps outside and in the ghetto.
That's usually how it is, you know.
Guys, how much minutes we have left? Because
Look at Courtney's plate. Guys, I finally met my match. And the winner is...
I'm still hungry. Pass me salary.
No.
Me want see me salary.
I lost. Still Team Nicole.
No. How many minutes we got left? 3 minutes.
It's stuck in my back.
my
Yeah, don't make me turn up there.
Half of Marla food on the
On the table.
That's not true. That's all the way. No, I'm the cleanest. Guys, maybe that's my food. I'm gonna check no more.
Oh.
It was?
Oh, you poop?
Did you? Did she poop on your camera?
Yes!
You pooped
Wow.
on your camera?
Wait, what are you guys? It's not going. What are you guys?
It's not going?
What are you guys cooking on Sunday?
Whatever you bring.
It is going.
Is it really?
Seriously?
Yes, that's so sad.
Oh, you poop again?
It smells like cat. No, I can't shit.
You poop again? For real? You
It just smells like cat shit.
no! You poop?
It smells like dog noodle.
I can't take it.
How do you like them?
Oh snap! You poop!
My belly's hurting me so bad.
Oh my goodness.
Sister, wipe the plate while she.
That's not even fun. See? Oh, come on. Get outside. No, son.
Marla, don't wipe your bottom.
You have indigestion, my girl?
It don't smell right.
You're out. Let's check your point.
She shorted.
You sure? Let's check your
She shorted.
I'm watching the right.
Wait, come here, come to this one.
She really pooped.
Mr. Frank?
It's not funny.
You crumb? You're a crumb.
I should have.
Wow.
Guys, I pranked them.
Wow.
How does it feel? It's not funny. That really stinks.
Yes.
It's a fart spray. Dang, it stinks. Oh.
Wow.
It smells like.
Real shit. Wow. You
Are
set
you
me up.
selection? No, it's on the balls.
No, let me spray it again.
Oh God.
Come and say no.
What's all that sound?
In our phone.
Okay, we need to end this video.
I'm not coming back over there. It stinks.
Come, we need to end the
It
video.
smells bad. It smells like it's
That shit.
worse than poop. Smell like bile. You got. I can only stop my break for 30 seconds. Go.
Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. Courtney won by just a little bit. I came second and Nicole come dead last. She still has to
Can't breathe.
And on top of that, guys, I pranked them. This thing stinks.
It stink. Like, you know, it's money belly bad.
No, it smells like dirty diaper. Like 5 years
Like
old.
baby poop. And you know, baby poop do not smell good.
It smells more like cat shit.
No, my cat pussy no smell so.
Alright, come and come.
No, I can't. Like that's it.
No, we
That's a
better
rat,
say
guys.
So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, so yes, unfortunately yesterday they gave us the wrong wings. So I called the manager there and I told them what happened, and they gave us a whole other set of wings. And it looks like this. This is really spicy. Okay.
My name is Courtney.
It's in the same video.
I don't care.
Okay, so we're gonna get 8 each, and we're gonna set our phone for 5 minutes.
Bro, why are we taking up 8 wings like we get married?
Yeah, yeah, wings.
Yesterday you did though.
But spicy? Guys,
Make sure it's 8, you know. I don't trust they got Courtney counting 7.
Okay, first off, I'm dyslexic. It's 8.
So we're gonna have 5 minutes to see.
Can you do 7 minutes?
No, 5.
Let's do 7 minutes of heaven.
Oh my goodness.
7 minutes.
Guys, we're gonna
Can we do
7
ranch?
minutes. No.
Still no.
No.
See?
No. No. We're gonna do 7 minutes, guys. And let's go. Where's that? Should I do this before I go? I'm glad she's here.
Oh.
I think we'll have the $5.99 steak special. I'm super excited for this.
It's spicier. Oh, not that bad.
It's afterburner. It burns after.
Lightweight, guys. Nicole brought her A game today.
Mm-hmm.
I brought my tongs.
No.
This one's spicy with you. I'm gonna stack into your own.
Me tongue.
Just cut and swallow. Don't make it land on your tongue.
Techniques.
No. Oh, mommy. If I die, mommy, I love you.
Chop. Those are right. Show me that.
Courtney.
Maybe I'm enough for starving yourself. First meal of the day, 3 o'clock.
I mean, too much. Hey, she have 3 left.
Wow.
Okay, I did.
4 minutes remaining.
That's how y'all move around, blood?
Ah!
Oh God, where did you that from?
Wow, tell me what.
Well,
Ah! No. This not funny. We just have to swallow. Ah!
She's so extra, guys.
No, my tongue.
Cristiano, meti lang pa rin tongue.
oh! Let's bring it to you back.
Guys, I'm dying.
Okay, I feel it now.
Ah!
No, Nicole, slow down.
I
I can't beat your ass in the house.
defeating. Hello!
Why are you stealing my technique?
Taught me well.
I mean, it was a learn. Oh, look on.
Marla, since you have the loose open water for me now. Marla.
No.
I'm just tired.
Sorry for the snack, guys. I was running. Couldn't you faking for the camera? You faking for the camera?
No, I'm not.
It's a close one, guys.
That's
In
right.
between Courtney and me.
Team Nicole? Team Courtney? No, sir.
No.
Oh my goodness. Each one, come on.
Guys, I have 2, 3.
Is it Courtney? Is it? You have enough on your plate there.
Nicole, not eat
No,
them.
it's a fact. It's a fact.
At this time, you probably drink more than us now.
I'm done.
Courtney won, guys.
Jesus.
But you have to swallow the last piece. Her mouth of empty.
Oh, mommy. I'm gonna do this again.
I agree. We wanted
I'm done. No, I'm done. Beat your ass 2 times in your house. I wonder where you at.
Put them there.
Oh, oh, you were right. We needed juice. Cause this water ain't gonna cut it.
Mommy.
Dang, Nicole. And look at my plate, guys. Like, look at my bones.
She did good.
Seven minutes of heaven and I finish. I leave heaven before it finishes.
Look at my juice done.
We can get your last 2.
Yeah. I don't want to see them ever.
Life is great. You want to stick it? The morning I can. Just one more.
Take them.
Dang, Marla, how many challenges we gonna do on
I know.
your YouTube and get your
Our world, you know.
Don't worry. Remember the 5 franc. No, we need more juice.
What another? Oh my goodness.
Look at me now, banana.
This blue cheese
Oh,
is
Lord.
good.
Become full. Give me some napkin.
Oh, the one you like?
No.
I can't
Guys,
say.
I have some ice cream to cool me down. Come in and drink milk. Alright, moving on something. Most people like chocolate. I'm not the type to like chocolate.
Oh, she's so extra.
This is heaven.
This
Me surprised me eat 6, so y'all talk about me extra. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like. It have to go on there. No, new one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Sorry. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. Any challenges, let us know down below. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
Team Courtney.
Team Marla for the prank. Bye.
Bye.